Soliento is experiencing as of the moment the lowest price on a per square meter of a secondary market. So ang ganda nito, courtyard concept. It's underrated, as I said, and undiscovered pa. But it will be beautiful, I'm sure of that. Hi guys, Realtor Mike here. How are you? I'm here in Soliento. Soliento is an Ayala Land premier community. It's located in New Valley South, where a bunch of Ayala Land premier villages are clustered. So Rio Monte, Cerrillo, Soliento, Luscara at the back of Soliento. Then we have Andacillo and Enara. They're clustered here, along with a 3-hectare future community na ala San Antonio Arcade type, but it's not yet being built, but may allocation of 3 hectares. Why am I featuring to Soliento? Soliento has the lowest price on a per square meter of a secondary market. So right now there are lots here from 30,000 to 35,000 pesos per square meter on the secondary market. Versus the others, nag-experience ng anywhere from may overlap 35,000 per square meter and up. So I think this Soliento deserves a second look because I think there's massive opportunity here. Bakit siya mura relative to the others? Tingin ko parang meron siyang middle child syndrome. I think that's the best analogy that I can give it. Yung second child syndrome, I studied it na since this is the 6th, mga panggitna, 6th yata, 7th or 5th. Basta gitna, I think it's the 6th Ayala Land Premier to be developed. Parang napapagitnaan siya after Abrio, Santera, Montecito, Elaro, Luscara, and then this one, Soliento, and then Rio Monte, Cerrillo, Andacillo, Enara. Did I miss anything? Anyway, yun, parang middle child syndrome siya na hindi siya napapansin yung great qualities niya. For one, the architecture is avant-garde. It's very futuristic. It's very nice. I think it's from architect Buensalido, Jason Buensalido. I'll show you a video now. Mamaya mag-drive around ako for you to see the nice village, the trees, and the courtyard concept. Yun, very unique among the many others. So, merong small courtyard si Luscara and I think Andacillo. Pero yung courtyard concept na malaki, dito nila na-execute only in Soliento. I'll do a video of that here, I'll insert it here, to explain what the courtyard concept is. Guys, this is the courtyard concept of Soliento, I love this particular kind of setup wherein the entrance is dito. Yan, one way lang yan. Paikot, then at the end, you turn up to here. It's exit. Kasi itong gitna, kaya courtyard, this is the courtyard. Parang may mini park siya sa gitna. So pagandahan yan for every courtyard. I'm sure they will landscape this. Yan. Ganda nito pag natapos to, So for example, this is your lot. This is your lot. Lot 11. Yung next door mo is beside, but your neighbor across. Ayun, sa kabilang side. Laki ng difference. Parang tapatan kayo, but there's a courtyard that you could I'm sure they will landscape this, put benches or swings for kung may kids. So ang ganda nitong courtyard concept. It's underrated, as I said, and undiscovered pa yung ganyang but it will be beautiful, I'm sure of that. I hope you enjoyed the drive-thru in Soliento, and hopefully you understood what the courtyard concept is and saw the very avant-garde, beautiful clubhouse and common areas. If you want to jump into an opportunity, let me know. This is Realtor Mike saying stay safe, stay in faith. Thank you for the privilege of your time. God bless.